Hey guys, Zakia here and welcome to my website. I wanted to share some information with you guys. You're brought here because you're interested. I can't even speak today. You're interested in making money online, and now you have a great way to do it for free. A lot of you don't like to invest, not sure what you're going to get, what you're paying for. So now here's a simple and easy way for you to be able to create an extra income for you and your family and your household and make money online for free, guys. So all you have to do is just click the button below to get free access. When you get going to my next page, you can just read over the information. Just fill on the right hand side. I gotta learn my right from my left. On the right hand side, you'll see just some information. It's going to ask for like your name and email and things like that, and all you have to do is just fill in that information. It's important that you put your correct information in there because this is what is going to be using to create your account, so that way you can be able to get all the information that you need on the ways that you can be able to start generating an extra income from home right now, today, for free. So guys, once again, thank you for visiting. I am so excited for you guys. I love helping people be able to generate, an extra income, because an extra, $50, $200, $100, $300 a week, a month, whatever, can help out so many people. So I'm excited to bring this opportunity to you. I hope you guys find great value in it. I wish you guys much success, and I'll see you guys and talk to you guys later. Thanks again for visiting, and guys, don't forget to make sure you fill out that form. That is the most important part, so to create your account, to be able to get access for free. Can't stress that enough. You won't have to pay anything. It's not no back charges, or no hidden cost or hidden fees or anything like that. It is completely free, guys. So just go ahead, fill out the information with your name, your email address, and information that they ask you for. There you'll get free access to everything that you need to be able to start generating an income. Thanks for visiting, guys. Bye.